Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to review devices connected to your Google account. First, we need to get your Google account, so click on the search bar, write Google, then click on the profile icon, your profile, scroll down, manage accounts on this device, misclicked. Manage your Google account. Then just go to security, scroll down to manage all devices. Once you're here, just click on the phone, and now you can manage all of the things that you want. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.